Hey guys, how you all doing? I hope you watched my last video because I did not want to make this video a lot longer than it is required. So I really, as I said, I wanted to have a thing that could fulfill all these points. As I have discussed in my last video, it should be free, it should be widely available for 7 billion human race. No middleman, no vampires, no corporate should be involved in your own health. It should never expire. It should cure all illness at once. It should potentially make humans immortal. Should take care of spiritual as well as physical aspects of human life. This is the craziest, goals that we have set in our conspiracy life, and I think we have achieved it more than what we have expected. Only thing that we needed was to involve the aliens into our life, guys, and I'm not kidding. With human knowledge and human connection, it will never make any sense, guys, because we have been totally controlled by outside forces. So take it what make sense to you, but without the alien influence this would not have been possible, because I'm very sure some higher force came to planet earth and created us. So there is definitely some method to the madness. So I will not take much time, and I will directly delve into all the diseases that they throw on us. I was finding for list of suffering that human beings go through, and it doesn't end, guys. A to Z list of common illness and conditions, including their symptoms, causes, and treatments, from normal acne to the things goes on a bipolar disorder to bladder cancer to bone cancer. This should not make any sense, because if you read through all this you will go crazy. But one thing it is sure, this sounds like an equation, it sounds like an division, guys. There cannot be a creator who would be so stupid to create humanity and give us all disease. There is something wrong with this page. Thousands of diseases been listed here, from cancer to lung ulcer to vaginal cancer. It is endless, guys. Insomnia, anxiety. So I was very sure this there is something wrong, and the method to the madness should be a very easy solution to all this that the dark forces throw at us. And I think we have found it, guys. I have, as I said, I have been away, but if a conspiracy guy goes away and sits in a corner of the room and research, you better be prepared. And I can tell you, guys, you better be ready for this, because after watching this video and after doing what I tell you, I am 100% sure you will never have to suffer again, ever. That is a personal guarantee from this channel. And if you ever come back and tell me, just write a comment, hey, you told me this and this, and I had this and this issues and it never got solved, I will shut down my channel immediately, because you are looking at your savior, guys. This is what it is, guys. Ocean water, the humble ocean water all around you. Even I was wrong. I made few videos on ocean water and I was totally wrong, and I'm very very sorry about it, because this is what human intelligence does if you don't connect it with alien intelligence. So you are looking at your own savior, guys. You have internalized ocean, guys. You came from ocean. You might have heard stories of how comets came, but that comet did not hit the land, it hit the oceans. Many of the scientists, even the mainstream, admits that there was life brought to planet earth. But we know better, right? The aliens put the life on planet earth, but I didn't know how they did it. And all life came from ocean. We read in our biology classes in our school that every human, every animals slowly evolved from ocean. But what is the content of the ocean that make life evolve? It is incredible story, guys. We were fooled to the nth degree. If ever someone has guided us properly, we would never ever get sick. There should not be a word called disease on planet Earth. That is it. If you can, if you don't you don't have to watch it now. The rest of the story is going into the detail, but I can tell you, if you don't have any time, I just go to your nearest ocean and drink the ocean water, and all your disease will be cured. But that is all this video is about. But we know our brain has been programmed by the darkness. The artificial intelligence and black goo will not allow you to rest until you go deeper and find it. So the rest of the video is trying to explain to you the deeper properties of ocean water that can cure every disease known to man and animal, or even aliens or Anunnaki, guys. This can cure you everything. You don't have to do anything else. It is free, it is abundant. Nobody can corporatize ocean water. They cannot sell you shit because it is right next door to every place on earth. You can just travel and drink the ocean water, and all your disease will disappear, guys. It is incredible. I This came to me when I was researching about black goo. I have made lot of videos on how I was being attacked by black goo. We all are, right? So this black goo was giving me a hell lot of time, and the only solution, I have done hundreds of solutions to get rid of this black alien goo. This is, make no mistake, guys, this is the most powerful dark force that is messing with human. All your problems are because of black goo. And this humble sea salt that I kept in my room, exactly like this. And I will really suggest you to put sea salt in a glass bowl in every corner, especially in bathroom and toilet, and in your bedroom and living room, and change it every 3 to 4 weeks. It will really change your life. You will know what I mean. When you keep it, all the tension between the family members will vanish. Your life will become much smoother. So this, I could not believe it. How the hell a humble sea salt can destroy the greatest artificial intelligence ever created in this galaxy. So I was just researching, let me do some research on how the hell, because I have done hundreds of remedies to get rid of this, but I couldn't. So I was researching on seawater. I just went to our ever reliable Illuminati Wikipedia, right? But I know we can just, I just wanted to read it, so I went to Wikipedia and just read seawater. And the shocking thing was this, guys. I knew it's sodium and chloride, but I didn't know all these things: oxygen, hydrogen, chlorine, sodium, magnesium, sulfur, calcium, potassium, bromine. This is the elemental composition of every seawater near your home. Because I know, when I saw this, I didn't need anything, because this is what your bicarbonate cycle is, guys. The essential thing that maintains your homeostasis. I have read it somewhere else, but to achieve that status of balance between acid and alkaline body, you need so much shit to do, guys. But it was freely available in seawater. This is what I needed, and I then searched, what is this vanadium? In our school they never told me about vanadium. So I said, let me take a look. So I just went to Google search. I just typed vanadium in Google, because I never heard about it. So I just searched Google for vanadium. I'm doing it with you. Vanadium is a rare source. I just clicked here, vanadium. Let me see if it has any benefits. This is what blew me away. Vanadium is used for treating diabetes, low blood sugar, higher cholesterol, heart disease, tuberculosis, syphilis, a form of tired blood anemia, and water retention, for improving athletic purposes in weight training, and for preventing cancer. Just one element in seawater can cure 90% of disease in humanity, guys. And I have never heard of this element before in my life, like, till I search about seawater. And the fun is just beginning. If you think you are shocked by vanadium and what it does to your body, to diabetes, to blood sugar, to heart disease, tuberculosis, syphilis, it ain't nothing. The fun is just getting started, guys. I was shocked, and that was it. All I wanted, being a conspiracy nutter, right? So I just left everything, and I just did seawater like I have never done anything in my life, guys. taste. I went, there is an ocean near me like 20 miles away, so after researching, I have been drinking seawater, and because I don't want to make a video, and if there is so it's all perfect. I have gotten cold for myself in the rain, and I drank seawater because this, if you have a cold and cough, and if you want to get rid of it like sore throat, etc., the best of the best is just drink seawater, guys. Your old cold, cough and fever will vanish within few hours. And if you start getting any symptoms of cold and fever, just go to the beach and drink seawater. Of course, in India and all, in the Asian countries, seawater in the ocean, sometimes like people live near it in cities and it's dirty. So make sure you go to a distance where the seawater is cleaner. So the better one is deep sea water. I will come to it. But for most of the humans, this will do at the moment when you are doing okay in your life, because after 40-50 you getting sick, you start getting sick. But at the moment, you can just go to the seawater and look for a cleaner surface. I usually went to 5 to 6 miles inside the ocean. I hired a boat and I went and I took the water from there. But if you can afford it, then I will very well recommend you to get the deep sea water, 200-meter below sea level. So that is the boom. You came from deep inside the ocean, guys. It has the exact property of your blood plasma. This is, seawater is nothing but a plasma, guys. As we said, the entire universe is made of plasma. This is one of it. It has everything there to cure you. It is incredible, guys. As I said, vanadium is I have never heard about vanadium doing anything to human body. They are always brainwashed us with calcium, right? I only read about calcium more than anything, but this is the critical thing, calcium and some vitamins. But I have never heard of vanadium, and it's just getting started. Sea salt, most of us in conspiracy and in alternative and health, we always already take sea salt, but that is 100% different and wrong, guys. Sea salt and sea water is poles apart, guys. 720 degrees apart, not 360. So please don't confuse with sea salt and sea water, because we have been taking sea salt and we are not feeling much change. Incredible change. It's better, but it is not life, because sea salt is not what we need, because it goes through lot of process that takes away the essence of plasma, aka sea water, guys. Table salt is shit, we know, but sea salt is nowhere close to what I am talking about. You already know the benefits of pink Himalayan salt, etc., Celtic sea salt. For keeping it in your house in a glass bowl, this is good to keep the black goo and darkness away. So you can keep the sea salt crystals in every. This is a very, very important thing, guys. You should keep sea salts in your home, and wash your home every week or so with sea salt, and take a bath in sea salt. It will remove the dark forces from you. This is not something that I am just saying. This is all tried and tested thing that will really help you in your life. We already know benefits of sea salt, but this is like comparing between apples and the nuclear bomb, guys. Because as you see, this, I was not knowing this. I knew that this took me a lot. This information is very, very hidden, guys. They will not tell you. When seawater evaporates, we know already table salt is shit. But in conspiracy, this is only for people who research and in conspiratorial world. Because once you evaporate, you lose calcium sulfate and sodium chloride, calcium carbonate. So this two is very, very critical. Calcium carbonate, CaOC3, and calcium sulfate. As you can see, seawater is getting evaporated. So first thing that lose is calcium carbonate. The second thing you lose is calcium sulfate. Then you get NaCl. So this is what they are selling you in the market called sea salt. But this too is the bomb, guys. So we will come to it. What this calcium carbonate does, it does the bicarbonate buffer system. You don't have to be a chemistry guy. This is just a simple. I'm just sharing with you bicarbonate buffer. This is what led me to sea salt, because I have researched bicarbonate so much, guys. You will not believe the amount of hours I spent on bicarbonate system, because they always tell you carbon dioxide is bad, but carbon dioxide is kind of like the sister of oxygen. Without this, you will not survive itself, guys. So you need carbonate, guys. You need carbon. The bicarbonate buffer system is an acid-base homeostatic mechanism involving the balance of carbonic acid, bicarbonate, and carbon dioxide in order to maintain pH in the blood, among other tissues, to support proper metabolic functions. This is the reason people get disease, everything. You need a perfect homeostatic body, guys. So this is what bicarbonate system does. But if you eat sea salt or table salt or Himalayan pink salt, you never gonna get this properly. And one of the things that you miss is sulfate. As I said, calcium sulfate. They will never tell you. They always told you about calcium but never told you about sulfate. I will just come to what they tell you in Ayurveda about sulfur. It's called Gandak. Shuddha Gandak for health benefits of side effects. Forget about vanadium, guys. It is already taken care of. But another element, sulfur in seawater, what it does to you. When it comes to health benefits of Shuddha Gandak, Gandak is a Sanskrit word. It's nothing but sulfur. It can treat skin disease. It can treat diabetes. It has antioxidant property. Everything that Ayurveda stands for, it balances. Balance is the key, guys. Vata, Pitta, Kapha. It is nothing but homeostasis, guys. Your body should be perfectly balanced. It's not perfection. It's balance. Your body should be in a perfect state of homeostasis, which is what sulfur does. It removes fever, viral infection, for your stomach, etc. Bone issues. So this is one of the properties. But if you take a lot, they tell it's not safe. But this is all in ionic form, guys. All the chemicals, seawater, as you see, it is all in ionic, minus plus minus plus. It is all charged. It is an electrolyte which you don't get in sea salt. And scientists have done research. If you take, that's why I'm saying it right now, ocean is an advanced alien technology. It may have been something else, but some aliens or some gods came and they totally did something, guys, in the deep waters of ocean, which it is crazy, guys. I cannot tell you. You have to research for yourself. But if you take sea salt, and then you mix back with water, the property completely changes. It will never become ocean again. If you take the salt and mix with water and dust, the properties, the ratio, the ratio between chloride and sodium and potassium, magnesium, it never becomes the same. So please do not confuse sea salt with seawater. They are totally different, like sun and the moon. So I'm not talking about sea salt is incredible, but what I am telling is beyond, guys. You can live forever with this. This is life changing, guys. I cannot stress. You can not watch anything. This is the most hidden thing that will ever be shared. I'm not trying to be egoistic, but this has been a shock to me. It took me 30 days to recover. I cannot. Everything that I have researched for 40 years has come back to this thing, guys. I am telling you everything. Every book I have read, it all ends up in water, ocean water, guys. That's how incredible it is. As you can see, sulfur even in the western side. Sulfur is an essential element for all life, but always in the form of organosulfur compounds or metal sulfate. These three amino acids, cysteine, and methotrotine, and two. I will come to this amino acid. Amino acids are building blocks of human body. So they are needed for all biochemical functioning and is an elemental micronutrient for all living organism, which you don't get in when you take the sea salt. Gypsum sulfate. This is also they are extracting and selling it for thousands of dollars. You may have heard about Epsom salt cures your pain, leg pain, etc. That is nothing. That is kindergarten stuff, guys. The thing is, some people They are taking things from sea salt and selling it. You don't, they are not telling you to directly just go and eat, drink salt water, because they can't make money out of it. So they are just dividing the contents inside seawater and selling you, acid base homeostasis. Sorry, as I said, this is very very critical. Acid and alkaline homeostasis, with this is the reason, if it is imbalance, you get all the disease. Many extracellular proteins such as plasma protein, membrane protein of the body cells are very sensitive to three-dimensional structures of the extracellular pH. You can go through it. So this is also not maintained if you don't take seawater. And the bomb is this, guys: sodium potassium pump. This is very very critical, because potassium is inside your cell, sodium is outside. It just work like an internal combustion engine, guys. You need to, just like systolic and diastolic pressure in your heart, it goes down and up, down and up. This is how the entire universe works, matter antimatter cycle. But when you take sea salt, like table salt, you miss this potassium. When you take table salt raw, without with sorry, sea salt, without mixing it with water, and just you don't get in ionized form, plus you need ionic minerals, guys. Then only it will do the magic, because your body is electric, guys. That is, the entire ocean water is ionic. This is very very critical. This is not something you found in a mine somewhere in Arizona or in India. The ocean water is alive, guys, with all the minerals in ionic state, ready to cure you and produce you. You have internalized ocean. Your body is exactly like ocean, guys. You can see mineral makeup of seawater. I could not believe it, the amount of things you can search. Everything is needed for human functioning properly. What are electrolytes? Electrolytes are chemicals that conduct electricity when mixed with water. They regulate nerve muscle function, hydrate the body, balance blood acidity, pressure, and help regulate damaged tissue. The muscle and neurons are sometimes referred to as electric tissues. As I said, your body is electric. Where have you seen this, guys? The electrolytes in human bodies include sodium, potassium, calcium, bicarbonate, magnesium, chloride, phosphate. This is exactly what is in sodium: chlorine, sodium, magnesium, sulfur, calcium, potassium, carbon. Everything is there exactly as it is, guys. This is very important, guys. Bicarbonate. You need imbalance. Imbalance is the reason for all the issues in our body. As you can see, your blood is nothing but ocean water, guys. Approximate major electrolyte content in body fluid: extracellular fluid, plasma; intracellular fluid, electrolyte. Sodium is extra, but these two is very very critical. That is why potassium and sodium is of the highest quantity, percentage wise, in seawater. Yes, guys, this is craving of seawater. Your tears are sweaty, salty. Your body is sweaty, salty, and your tears are salty. Why? You are craving. The reason we suffer and we cry is because of lack of seawater in our body, guys. We have dramatized the crying, but in a pure scientific basis, if you remove all the BS called emotions and why human beings cry because of suffering, the suffering and crying is due to the lack of seawater inside your body, guys. When you lack content of minerals inside, when there is unbalancing, and when homeostasis goes out of whack, you start crying. You cannot take what is happening on planet Earth. You suffer a lot. That is the real meaning. When you take seawater, I can guarantee you will never cry in your life, guys. Meaning, aka in human society terminology, you will never go through pain, suffering, emotional drama, etc., which forces you to cry. You will be in a higher level of frequency. So why are tears salty? That is, they have given a totally different answer, but it is nothing but your body is craving for salt. Just like when you see something, some amazing food, your mouth gets filled with saliva. That is how your body is showing, because eyes are windows to the soul. So your soul is craving for ocean, guys. That is what that is all tears are. I know it is deeper in society, we have all cried, etc., etc., but that is why, because we did not had sea water in our body. We are lacking sea water. So that is what craving and crying is all about, guys. But the bomb, guys, is chlorine, guys. 55%. I couldn't figure this out. Why in the hell? Because if it is natural, everyone will say, ocean water is natural. Oh, you cannot. But you see this percentage: 51, 55, 31, 7, 3, 1, 2. You cannot make this shit up, guys. If you are a human intelligence, I am very, very sure some external intelligence put the ocean water or contents in it with exactly 50. Because in conspiracy, we are more into ionic silver, silver and gold in a ionic form, colloidal gold and colloidal silver. Why the aliens did not put gold? Because nobody cares about chlorine. It is a very cheap product, but why it has become 55%, guys? That is what gave me headache. Because if you don't think there is some higher force, I will call it alien, you can call it God, etc., you will never understand why seawater has 55% chlorine. Because then if you think about this, because aliens, I'm very sure, guys, now I know after doing all this research, they go through life much deeper than we do, guys. If you don't feel the life, you will not feel why 55% chlorine is in seawater. Because this humble looking chlorine is the most critical thing during the end times. In the form of chloride ion, chlorine is necessary to all known species of life. But if you read this, it won't make any sense. But when the reaper comes to you, we know we all will die, but what does the doctor fear the most? It doesn't come to you with a sickle and a black dress. It come to you as an infection, guys. Sepsis. This is the most dangerous thing in a hospital. Infection. You die. You, me, every being, from dog to cat to animals, we all will die through infection when we get old. That is all there is. You will not understand it if you have not felt life deeply, guys. These people have seen life closer than we do. That is why they have put chlorine as 55. Why? Because your last stage is death through infection. You can go to any hospital and they are scared shit of bacterial, viral infection, fungal infection, because they know infection means death. So if you go, I'm not saying you should, but I'm just, if you have any disease and you are at your last stage in your life, you will die through infection. The virus will come and take your life. So to keep that away, aliens have put chlorine in the seawater, guys. That is what it is. It is a disinfectant. They use chlorine in swimming pool, right? But they never told you need chlorine in your body to keep all the virus away. But it is an ionic chlorine. This is the good chlorine. Chlorine is a highly efficient disinfectant and is added to public water supplies to kill disease causing pathogens such as bacteria, virus and protozoans that commonly grow in water supply reservoirs, on the walls of water mains and storage tank. Your body itself is 70% water, guys, and you get infected with virus and bacteria. 99% of human disease is bacteria and virus, guys, and only chlorine can destroy it, because it has incredible properties. I will not go deeper, but you can read. Chlorine is an extremely reactive agent and strong oxidizing. So anything that come close to it, it will destroy it through oxidization. So nobody can stay alive in front of chlorine. But you can go through why chlorine is so powerful. It can keep the reaper away from your life, guys. You will never get sick, so you can say goodbye to all the infectious disease, guys. I was looking into this. I was shocked the amount of infection. Chlamydia, dengue, E. coli, encephalitis, giarditis, hepatitis, all these HIV, herpes, lead poisoning, leprosy, malaria. This is all due to lack of chlorine in your body, guys. If you have chlorine, you are fine. You don't have to worry about anything in your life, guys. This is what this is. Chlorine 55%. This took me a lot of time to think, maybe 2 weeks, guys. Why they put chlorine, Then I was researching. We know chlorine is used in a swimming pool, but why chlorine is because in your last stage, when you die, you don't simply die, guys. You die because of infection. So aliens know, in order to keep you away from infection, they put chlorine maximum in your body. But that is just one stage, guys. Be ready for the second stage of the bomb. Amino acid, you don't get this in sea salt. Amino acid is the building block. So deep sea water and seawater is same, but deep sea water has, higher mineral content, but not many of us could go into deep sea water. But I will really recommend you, if you can afford it, if you have a boat, if you can hire a boat, you can go deep into the ocean and you can pump the deep sea water below 200 meters. But it has everything in ocean water also, but make sure it's clean, people. It is not near a sewage facility or something. Just go to the nearest sea water. It has everything. So, but I would suggest, if you are in your last stage of your life, or you are really sick, if you know someone very sick, so you can get deep sea water to cure him very fast. But it has amino acid, but I never knew this, 17 different amino acid. It has glutamic acid, lysine. But what is lysine? Have you heard about it, lysine? I have never. Let's search what lysine does. Lysine benefits: may protect against, treat cold sores by blocking arginine, may reduce anxiety, may improve calcium absorption retention, can promote wound healing by helping create collagen. You can see lysine. Lysine is an amino acid building block protein. People use it to make medicine, so they are selling lysine for. I have searched it. They are using hundreds of dollars to sell you lysine, which is available for free, guys. It is taken for mouth and applied directly for skin. I never knew what lysine does. Let's go with glycine. Do you know what glycine does? Let's search it together. Glycine is an amino acid that has single carbon. It is a single amino acid. So let's see if it has any benefits. Glycine benefits. Needed to promote powerful antioxidant, main amino acid, may improve sleep quality, protect your liver, protect your heart, protect type 2 diabetes, protect against muscle loss. I am just getting started, guys. Let's go with serine. This aspartic acid, we know it is for they use for muscle enhancement. Benefit: serine benefit, essential for lipid skull photo to make cell membranes of neurons. Let's go with alanine. Benefits: alanine benefits. Beta enhance performance by increasing exercise capacity and increases muscle fatigue. So you can, I searched everything, guys. This is crazy, everything that you need as a, human being. It is not used to make body, but is used to other body function. Aspartic acid commonly used to reduce feeling of tiredness. So when you run, you feel tired, but people use aspartic acid, in athletics. They use aspartic acid to not get tired. So long distance runners use aspartic running. But if you really want to win the race, just drink seawater, guys. It has everything that you can ever imagine. This is an highly advanced alien technology, guys. Cysteine, icon, tyrosine. I have searched. You can search everything. All the amino acids is needed. It's an essential amino acid. Tyrosine having methyl component, it is also needed. Amino acid building block of the body used to make protein. Thyroid is used to take various nervous systems. I can guarantee you, if your son is autistic, he can get cured through amino acid. This is the greatest technology ever developed in human psyche on planet Earth, guys. 17 different amino acid. You don't get this in sea salt, guys. It gets evaporated. You need this in a watery form. You can search. I can guarantee you, if you show me anything in town that has all the 17 amino acid, I will quit quit YouTube, guys. This is the only thing that is, because if you research deeper, I have researched deeper into every amino acid, because we are created with amino acid. As you can see, the sulfur containing amino acids, methane, cysteine, and homoso and taurine. So these are also do, as I said, you don't get sulfur. So these are very critical, essential making of antioxidant glutathione. So out of this comes this, and I'm just showing one of the benefit, one of the amino acid benefits called glutathione. So they are selling it online, but you can get it for free, guys. May helps with detoxification of kidney and liver. You can forget about May. They will always tell you May, because they cannot do with FDA and all. Psychiatric disorder, addictive behavior, helps reduce respiratory conditions, brain health, improve fertility, stabilize blood sugar, reduce heart disease, boost glutathione immune function. And this is just one of the things, guys. You can literally build your entire body, guys. This is a very dangerous and very critical, but I am sharing with you all. So please don't misuse it, but your body will be all good. So don't try to sell it. You should give all this information for free to everyone around you. So this is, you can search how much lysine cost, how much aspartic acid. So they are selling for hundreds of dollars in US. You are getting everything for free forever, in a correct proportion created by God or alien, you can call anyone. So this is the reason you are sick, guys, because we all came from ocean, guys. The forgotten longevity benefit of taurine. The Japanese have a long life expectancy that is among us highest in the world, because they take taurine. You can also start eating high the seaweed, like seaweeds are all good. Japanese diet is actually very good, so you can try to eat kelp and kale, everything. So all the seafoods are not fish, but the sea vegetables are very good. They have high content of it. That is essentially what they are saying. So you can see chemical composition of seawater. It has everything, guys. I will put some of the links. Trace minerals, what they do. Chlorine combined with sodium regulate acid-alkali balance of the body. It is necessary for production of gastric acid and component of hydrochloric acid. Sodium regulates pH of intracellular fluid. Sulfur is found in cells, especially for the skin and scalp. Magnesium is very important of the body and for ATP, for energy building. Potassium, excess intracellular. You can go through all these things, guys. It is everything that you need in your body, and they are selling it. Some companies are selling electrolyte pure and simple in US for bodybuilding, etc. But you can just, if you are going to gym and exercise everything, you can just take seawater with you. But yeah, I forgot to tell you about when you start taking seawater, you will become thirsty at first. So what you have to do is, when what I do now is just take a sip morning and evening. So when you take it once, first time you will get immediately thirsty. So keep a bottle of water, because your body is not used to the level of seawater. It is much more less diluted. So that is why we are getting disease. So our aim is to make our body exactly as seawater. So at 3-4 days you will feel amazingly thirsty when you take seawater. If you went to an ocean and if you accidentally drank seawater, you will feel the need thirsty, but slowly your body will get used to it, guys. So now I don't need much water, like a normal water to drink. So if I am my drinking water has become the salt, the seawater itself. So initial stages you will have some difficulty in drinking salt water, seawater. I'm not talking about salt water, guys, pure ocean water. So once you take ocean water, initially you will have some difficulty, but after that you will do incredible. So don't worry about it. potential health benefit of deep sea water. They are giving lot of deep sea water because some companies have tried to market it, guys. That is why I'm showing you, because there is no direct benefit of seawater. There is no document that I can show you, but I can tell you categorically 100%. Just drinking normal seawater in your town will save your life. But if you are really looking to, save, you need to go to deep oceans, because only big technological, corporate companies can do that. So that's why there is a lot of research material on deep sea water. But they are also, minerals in there. They are saying the same thing, improvement of cholesterol profile. This is all research by scientists, by the way, guys. So if you are looking for peer review, you can read everything: cardiovascular program, atherogenesis, blood pressure, reduction of blood pressure, protection from obesity, everything, treatment for diabetes, treatment for skin problem. The good thing is, if you are going through dark forces are attacking you, all these targeted individuals, if you are suffering through Morgellons, etc., everything will run away, guys. You are achieving a balance perfection, so nothing can attack you. That experiment shows farming with salt water possible. So even you can do. I have started doing this, but you have to dilute if you want to. Don't put directly salt ocean water to plants. Just dilute it, into 9:1 ratio. Just put few drops of ocean water and dilute it and then plant it. That's what they are telling. So it can also be used. It is a great fertilizer. I was inquiring with some companies, so these companies know it already. So they were asking me, why you need raw seawater? Are you using it for fertilizer? So many companies in Taiwan and all, they are already aware of this COP tolerance to seawater. So they are already using it. So this is the company that I was trying to contact, but don't buy it. Yeah, I wanted to tell you, there are many companies selling deep ocean water, but they are missing the one important component, guys: chlorine, sodium in an ionic form. It is just like a mineral water you get in your supermarket. We don't need this, because this is the human brain at work, guys. They are trying to be smart as, right? We don't need it, because you cannot defeat ocean water forever, guys. No, this is just trying to make money. This is greed. Please don't. There are some companies in US and Japan and Korea and Taiwan. They are selling deep ocean water, but they don't sell you whole ocean water. They just give you mineral. So I'm planning to go here and inquire, but they are told they don't sell ocean water. But let's see how it works out, because we need deep ocean water, not deep ocean mineral, which is reverse osmosized and removed chlorine. Because without chlorine, it is useless, guys. So please don't buy it from Amazon. There are some companies selling deep ocean minerals in Amazon. I'm not promoting that. I'm telling you to just drink the water from near your ocean, deep ocean water. So these are the companies, minerals in US selling. But you will need, I was needing more confirmation, right, to to give you more information. And I knew everything this is right, but I needed more confirmation. And where I found in conspiracy side, guys, nowhere else on the planet you can find this information other than in conspiracy. You can see the human body is made up of approximately 60 to 80% water. In our blood, the salt and mineral content somewhat mimics that of ocean. This somewhat is the reason for our disease and misery, guys. Our body must exactly mimic the ocean, for which we and all life evolved. Without salt, we die. This is the truth, guys. This is what I want. Our body is exactly like ocean water, guys. Just iodine takes care of so much, um, uh, problems like in our body. But imagine 80 trace minerals doing, but they have not told us what it does. So far, it has been proven that we need at least 24 of these 80, and it is likely we just haven't figured out or been told about the rest. Linus Pauling, PhD, once said, "You can trace every sickness, every disease, every ailment to a mineral deficiency. Our bodies cannot make this mineral ourselves, they must be ingested." So you can see all. I was wrong earlier on this one, so I am very sorry. You need all the minerals, guys. I made a video a few years back, so I was promoting the opposite of it. So I'm very sorry. I didn't know better. But even the minerals that we get is not what we need. We need the ocean mineral. It has everything in the right proportion, guys. That is what critical is. My video is getting longer, but this is once in this one, guys. The following information is sea salt hidden power. You can read this. I will put the link. The late French scientist, this I will kept a chicken heart alive for over 27 years by having a pulsating heart, solution of seawater, ionic seawater. This you can see. He can. Professor Kevin links a secret of immortality and reveals its prime source is the trace mineral from seawater. As I said, guys, it can keep you alive forever. If chicken heart can live for 27 years in sea solution of sea salt, this is the secret to immortality as well, guys. Sea salt hidden powers. You can read this. It's a very good book. Sea salt contain 92 essential minerals. Most all refined adulterated seas are contain two elements. I wanted to show you the more. Yeah, when there was lack of seawater, sea salt in Europe, there was a dark age. People went crazy. You can read this one. The whole of Europe therefore suffered from salt famine that was to last for 500 years. The daily average ration fell to less than 2 grams and cost per person and caused many to die from dehydration and madness. The extent of salt famine reported by Henry Penn caused human flesh to be sold on open market and created an epidemic of crazed people who to replenish their salt drank blood from the neck of artery of the person they are just slain. That because the black goo has entered their human body, guys. So that is the reason people go mad if they don't have sea salt in their body. So this is the book they are referring to. But I found this many people are doing it, but they are not taking the sea water. But even sea salt is good. Sea salt is world's oldest antibiotic known to man. Somewhere along the way, history books have forgotten this great medicine that bacteria, viruses offer absolutely no resistance to it whatsoever. It is simplest medicine I have known for those people who want an even more powerful medicine. Just add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to sea salt. You can remove the sea salt to ocean water and you can live forever, guys. That is the take from me. So some local Thai guys are doing this, but this is I have tried it, but we know Benjamin Franklin was an Illuminati, etc. He was an evil guy. But in his book he mentioned I have done it because I had cold, so I wanted to try this. I went to the open because it was raining, so I got the symptoms and I had ocean water, and next day I was fine. So Benjamin Franklin mentioned in his biography that when he had a cold, he went to the sea and drank the water. The water was full of salt and he found he was cured the next day. Yes, sea salt has antiviral property. This is very very true. But you can take it beyond, guys. You can do it to build muscle. It builds your muscle like anything, and that is what I have been feeling. It darkens your hair. It improves your teeth. It improves your vision. It makes you happy. Even I have seen the mosquitoes don't bite you. The spiders don't weave the web in your home. All the creepy crawlies vanish because your vibration is getting higher, your electrostatic energy, whatever it is. Because when you match your blood with the ocean plasma, it's lot of magical things will come to your life. It is unbelievable, guys. That is why it took me close to 30 days to create this video, because I have been researching. But now people will ask, surely we are not the first one, guys. But history has surpassed. We have been given all this Newton and Obama and Einstein and all this useless BS, because we were never told the truth. So this also took me a long time, because I knew we cannot be the first one. There would be hundreds of people who might have found this, but they will suppress it. That is what aliens told in the book. Aliens have already told us that many people have found the truth, but all this information is suppressed. It is only unlikely that you have about Rene Quintal. So this guy has already done what I have been saying, guys. Yet this great man saved thousands of children and adults living in France by using serum plasma, which now bears his name. In 1904, more than 100 years ago, the biologist Rene Quinton published his definitive work that firmly and scientifically established the therapeutic virtues of seawater, also called marine plasma. In his monumental work, Leo de Mar, Melish Organ, Seawater Organic Medium, he established scientifically the organic relationship exists between seawater and blood plasma. It is, if you are looking, people will have, what is your proof? This guy is the proof, guys. He expounded therein hypothesis the potential living cell came from marine environment, ocean. I wanted to, show you because I already knew we all came from ocean. In our fervent desire to help the entire world rediscover the astonishing properties and enormous benefits of ocean plasma. So this is the website dedicated to this guy. Our inner environment, the liquid in which our cells are bathed, has almost identical mineral composition and concentration with diluted ocean water and respond to constant osmotic interchanges between intra and extracellular environment. So basically, he cured thousands of people, but he diluted the ocean water because directly. But what I am doing is I am just saying to simply drink the water, and your blood and body will adjust eventually. But he did the, he didn't want to go, so he wanted to adjust the your present body with the ocean plasma. But we've been cross perceived that we are going all the way in. I have done both, guys, both work, so you can choose what you want, because for me drinking salt water is not a problem. So if you are, averse of drinking directly ocean water with salt, you can just dilute it with the water and drink it. But I just drink it directly. So essentially that is what it is. Rene Quinton cured tens of thousands of children in France and Egypt with his plasma derived from oceanic water. You can read this. I will put the link in the description. This is everything. The video is getting longer, so I will not go deeper into it. But you can read this. The first marine plasma was made available to the medical corps and general public. The works of Pasteur brings us thoughts of conception of disease. He was even greater than Louis Pasteur, guys. Louis Pasteur was nothing. If we had Quinton in our, they never mentioned this in our school syllabus. I never knew of this guy. I knew about Louis Pasteur. Those of Quinton bring us a consumption of health. What is Pasteur serum? It is a serum for and against a particular disease. A serum which attacks a given microbe and none other. What is seawater? It is a serum which attacks no microbe in particular, but provides organic cell with the force to fight all microbes. As I said, guys, we needed something. One cure all illness at once. Seawater does. You don't need hundreds of disease. Medicine. You just need one thing. That is exactly what Rene Quinton referring to. He has done so many things, guys. It's mind blowing that we never heard of him. That is what is a tragedy. He should be the greatest Western guy ever, but even Western people have never heard of it. Rene Quinton, organic therapeutic protocol for the use of ocean plasma. You can go through his how even he cured. First he did experiment on dogs, so he cured dogs a lot. So, but he was very careful. Partial drainage of blood, intra-organic injection of seawater was Serifama using normal adult dogs. So he injected, instead of blood, he gave seawater, and dogs were all fine. So essentially what he's saying, he replaced ocean water with blood, guys, and the dogs were fine. Seawater, a safe blood plasma substitute. Diluted seawater contain almost the same concentration of minerals of seawater as blood plasma. Everything is plasma, as I have said, guys, and its sodium content matches that of blood. It has been successful in animal test as a blood transfusion, but human trials are, but they will not trial it. You have to do it, guys. Here we touch upon ocean. So he is talking about the mineral content of. You can go through it. It's very interesting read, but I hope you get the point, guys. Introduction by, this is also how she got cured through drinking ocean water. I was diagnosed with stage 2 stomach cancer, chronic bronchitis, acute ovarian site arthritis, cardia, low thyroid, anemia, and heart condition. Besides that, I had chronic ear infection, long-standing clinical response. So the late Dr. Heraldic, known as naturopathic organic pioneer, cured me in 5 weeks. It required the diagnosis. You can see what this to stimulate blood circulation. They use the same thing, natural healing. What if everything they told us about conventional cancer treatment? Cancer is nothing but nothing, guys. This is a big pharma lie. You can read this alternative to cancer treatment. They go on about curing through ocean, seawater, and organic, easily assimilated whole food mineral, trace mineral source, guys. You don't need to spend a cent to get cured. Cent. Now forget about dollar. Ocean plasma. See, so many people were cured. This is 100-year-old story, guys. We are just repeating. The marine treatment miracle from the sea. Seawater is virtually identical to blood plasma when properly diluted. Remineralizes, balances, electrolytes, normalizes the pH, energizes, therefore improve the internal terrain and underlying physical cause of many disease conditions. A past military blood replacement of for transfusion with proven healing properties that could make present day medical history. As you can see, it is a 100-year-old story which has been suppressed, guys. It was been already done in Europe, but somehow they gave us Einstein and all this Zionist Jewish crap, and people forgot about this. But we did this. Seawater solids have sacred buffalo grazing land. So the desert was blooming when they used sea water, and all the grass started growing back. So yeah, guys, I will not take much time. This is already close to 1 hour now, but this is what I have been doing for months. Sea salt around the world is, of course, they will tell you, but I can tell everyone had this. It is contaminated sea salt. Sea water is. How do you think? Because that is where the alien think. This is how human beings think, guys. It is death. Because that technology, as I said, you cannot touch ocean water, guys. Nothing can poison because it has chlorine. It will convert if you put hundreds of poison plastic. It is not a good thing, but I am telling you, seawater will be here for millions of years, guys. It cannot be touched. And I can tell you, if you do too much damage to ocean, it will attack back. It is alive, guys. It is you. It is body in water. It will attack. So we should not pollute it, but this is, don't worry about microplastic and all this mercury in seawater. That is BS. Don't worry about, think like you are not thinking like a human. You have been brainwashed by all these studies. These studies will never tell you about this guy Rene Quinton. He is the greatest medical guy in all of Western world that we never heard of. See, so if you wanted proof, you can read every proof that you need and be happy. So please don't worry. Just go and drink this, guys. That's it. All your life issues will be solved. Yeah, guys. Thanks. So I'm sorry for the long video. If you have any questions, just please ask in the comment. Thanks.